Welcome to Orange County Child Support Services. Today's topic is getting a child support order, and joining us is child support expert Joy.
Hello.
Hi Joy, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Thanks for joining us. Can you explain how we can open a child support case?
There are different ways of doing this. All involve completing an application. You can open a case by completing an application online, visiting our office and filling out an application, or you can take the application home and mail it in. It is important to let us know if you have an existing support order, divorce order, or a parentage order. Even if it's from another county or state, we might be able to use this order. This helps us give you the right service that meets your case scenario. Whether you have a court order or not, we will open the case within 30 days of getting your application. We will call you to get additional information, such as income, the time you spend with your child, tax filing status, and other children that you support, how much you spend on childcare. The more information we have, the more accurate the calculation will be. Depending on your case status, we may prepare legal documents to establish a child support order. Once completed, the documents are filed with the court, asking that the other parent pay a certain amount of child support.
After the documents are filed, what happens next?
The parent being asked to pay support is invited to our office to be part of the process. He or she will have the chance to review the amount of support being asked to pay, how we got to that amount, and see if we can come to an agreement. They will also be provided with an answer form, giving the option of letting the court know that he or she doesn't agree with the amount being asked to pay. If the customer doesn't believe he is the father, he can request a genetic test. The customer has 30 days after getting all legal paperwork to respond.
So what if I'm being asked to pay support and I agree with the legal forms? What can I expect?
If you get legal forms from our office, don't ignore them. The best thing to do is contact our office immediately. You can make an appointment to come to the office and speak with a case expert. This is your chance to give us important information, such as how much time you spend with your children or whether you have other children to support. You will also learn about options, such as coming to an agreement on a support amount with the other parent. If both parties reach an agreement here at the Child Support Office and it is approved by the court, then a court hearing will no longer be needed. Everything will be taken care of in-house.
And what if I cannot agree and I'm the person who will pay child support? What can I expect?
When you receive legal notice that you are being sued for child support and an agreement was not reached, we will help you file an answer. This is a legal document we talked about earlier. If we do not hear from you within 30 days of receiving the legal notice, we will finalize the amount you are being asked to pay.
And so what if I'm being asked to pay child support and file an answer?
We will schedule a court hearing and let you and the other parent know when to appear. Remember, filing an answer means that you don't agree to the amount being asked to pay and will be automatically scheduled for a court hearing. If you live out of state or far from Orange County, we may be able to schedule a hearing by telephone for you. That is why it is so important to communicate with our office.
Okay, so what is the quickest way to get a child support order?
Usually, getting an agreement between both parties is the quickest way to get an order. In most cases, when an agreement is reached, you do not need to appear in court.
Well, thank you, Joy, for taking the time to give us this information. It sounds like Child Support Services is here to help both parents and the children.
That is right. Remember, contact our office with any questions.
For more information, you can contact a child support expert in person, by phone, or online.